Forget bungee cords, small tie downs, ratchet straps, or rope. Clutch tension straps are the most versatile solution for attaching, bundling, repairing, or securing just about anything in any weather condition. Super tough and flexible, clutch tension straps let you easily pull to tighten and hold tension under pressure, even when dealing with big loads and high amounts of dynamic force. You don't have to worry about the dreaded recoil with tension straps. They're safer, stronger, and more versatile than bungees. The straps are available in 3 lengths, colored by size for quick selection and less fiddling. For trusted performance in even the most extreme conditions, we use a durable and flexible polyurethane material with a glass-filled nylon buckle, both of which are unaffected by water, temperature, or age. Home and garden, motorsports, mountain adventures, hunting and fishing, and more, these light packable straps have you covered. Clutch. What you need, when you need it.